think you are playing all the time, but some of you are feeling dull, is it? Very dull because you are not seeing your friends, you are not seeing your teachers, you are not joining your friends, you are not enjoying the school atmosphere, so you are all very dull. Your activities also has become so dull. Isn't it, children? Many of you feel very unhappy. Oh, when will the school will start? You are thinking in your mind. Some of you, I heard some of you are crying in your house. When will the school start, mommy? When will the school start, daddy? I am missing my friends a lot. My activities is gone. My games period is gone. Okay? These are all the thoughts you have in your mind. So all work and no play. Every time working. Sometimes you are seeing your sisters, elder, parents. Okay, all the time they are working and it makes them dull. Dull means what? They are not interested in doing any other activities. They feel bored. See, when you are not doing any work, you will feel boring. You will tell, oh mommy, I am feeling boring, mommy. I want to go out and play for some time. See, you all will tell. So, we need time to enjoy and relax. What is relax? Taking rest. Okay, when you are coming to school also, all the time till 8:30, from 8:30 till 3:30, if they make you sit and study, write your notes, sit and study, write your notes, again learn, answer the following, answer to the teacher. That means you are feeling so bored. You will be waiting when the games period will come. Right? You will be waiting. You will ask your friend, hey, what is the time now? What is the time? Third period is finished now. Next period we have to go for games. Is it? So, all that when we enjoy free time activity, that is only called as recreation. What is that? It is called recreation. What all the activities you are having, what all your mind is becoming dull, where all you felt bored, there your mind brings to relaxation. You will enjoy. That is the time which your mind will become fresh again. You will become fresh. Okay, so that is only called as recreation. Recreation makes us feel fresh again. After sleeping, you will get up, you will sit, then you will have your tea, coffee, milk, then you will have your breakfast, then after that take bath, get ready, then by that time your mind is free. You will feel, oh, my mind is free. We play indoor games. You will play the indoor game. What is indoor games? You will play inside the house or inside the room. Okay, such games are called as indoor games. Indoor, inside the door. Inside the door, you play the game. What are the games? Ludo. Ludo, you sit in the house and play. Don't need of going for the ground. No need of playground. You will sit in your bedroom and play. You will sit in your hall room and play. Is it? Then chess. Only so much space is enough. Two chairs and one table. You will keep it and play the chess. Snake and ladder. You see that game? Yes? Yes. Many of you know. Snake and the ladder. When you go, you will climb up, and when the snake will bite, you will once again come down. Again you will play. Again the ladder will take you up and go. And once you reach the snake's egg, the egg will bite you. Then you will come back again. So, while you are playing, your mind is getting relaxed. You feel happy, you will jump and play. Oh, the snake is going to bite me. Sometimes when the ladder will come, oh, the ladder came. I am climbing up and going. You will feel happy, enjoying. That is only recreation. Your mind is getting relaxed. Okay, then table tennis, carom board. You will sit with your friends in your house or on the terrace. You will put a table. two chairs you will put. You will sit there. You will play happily. You clap your hands, you will jump also. Sometimes you will jump and play. Sometimes you will sing also and play. While playing, you will sing the song. Is it? You will sing the song and play. Many of the children I have seen, while playing, they are singing their own tune. They will play their own music and you are playing. So that means your mind is relaxed. You are not at all dull. You are not lazy there. But once the book is given to you, you will feel boring. Mummy, I am feeling boring, Mummy. I will go and play for just 10 minutes, Mummy. What is the 10 minutes you are asking for? You are asking your mind should get relaxed. You will be happy. Then we also play outdoor games. I told you chess, Ludo, snake and ladder, table tennis, carom board. These are all indoor games. You are sitting inside and playing indoor games. Okay? The next I am telling you outdoor game. Out of the door. Go into the ground. These are all the games that you will have to play in the ground. Such as cricket. Can you play the cricket inside the house, children? Yes, you can play, ma'am. No. You will sit and play in the house, you will break the TV. You will break your house furnitures. Okay. Then you will break your mixie grinder. What are the things? You will break your glasses. But so, that's why your parents will not allow you to play the cricket in the house. You will go outside taking your bat. Right? You all enjoy. Oh, cricket. I am going to play cricket. You will jump and go. Then hockey. Have you seen? Big people's hockey. Hockey is our national game. I told you. See, hockey is our national game. You enjoy playing hockey. Then football. You cannot play the football inside your house. Okay. Then badminton. All this game you are playing outside. So these are all called Coco. You know Coco? Have you seen Coco playing Coco? Kabaddi? Yes, you have seen Kabaddi. Kabaddi, is it? You have seen, no? So that is only Kabaddi game. So you will enjoy, you will also shout. When others are playing Kabaddi, you say, oh, catch him, run, is it? So that time you are relaxing your mind. You are enjoying so happily. Oh, Coco I am playing. Coco, they will be sitting and going. You will also play with them. Though you are not playing, but still you are encouraging the others to play. That means your mind is out of that busyness. You have come to the relaxation. You are relaxing your mind. Some of the children, what they do? They go for swimming. They go for swimming or cycling. They will take a cycle and go for cycling. Have you seen? Small children also, I have seen the small children during lockdown, they are not supposed to take the vehicle and go. Parents, father, mother and all, they are not taking the vehicle and going, but the small children, they will take the small cycle and they will be cycling. Cycling makes them enjoy. Cycling their mind makes them relax. Okay, so the games keeps us healthy. Games. Some of you are playing so much that you will feel the sweat should come out. When the sweat will come out, you are feeling healthy. Okay, so you enjoy. Then some of you will go for parks and gardens in our neighborhood or good places to relax. You see, no? Your parents will go to park. Your grandfather, your grandmother, evening time they'll go for a walking. They go and relax, they'll sit in the park. Have you seen there? Small children will be playing. The grandfather, grandmother, they'll sit in the park and they will enjoy. So during the time, their mind is relaxed. Okay, once they come to the house, again they are getting lazy. So to make their mind relaxed, they go to the park. Next, children have fun on swings. Swings, you know? What is swings? You will say, July. You will sit in the July and play. Swings. Then slides. Slides you see? Sliding. Jarabandi. Is it? Slides is Jarabandi. Okay. You sit in the slide and then go. Then seesaw. Seesaw means what? Two sides you will sit. Up and down you will play, no? Have you seen? Two of you sitting. One will go up. One will come down. One will go up. One will come down. That is seesaw. So you will enjoy. Oh, I am going up. Somebody says, oh, I came down. Is it? So you will be shouting and screaming and playing. And moreover, elders will go for walking. You will not go for walking. You will go take your cycle and go. You will play in the slides. You will play in the swings. But elders, what they do? They go for a long walk. They walking. All these activities keep our body fit. Our body, we keep it fit. We go to the park, and some of you will go to the park and they do exercise there. Sitting, standing, jumping. Is it? So that are all the exercise which the elders are doing. Okay. But most of the children, what you do? You are sitting in the house and your hobbies. What is hobbies? You will collect the things and keep. Which is your favorite thing that you will collect and keep. That is also your hobby. Sometimes some children I have seen, small children, they are collecting the coins and keeping. Different coins. And some of you are collecting the stamp and keeping. Stamps. Different countries' stamps you are collecting and keeping. Okay. So some are having the habit of reading. Always they will read the books. They feel when they read the books, their mind is relaxed. And painting. So many of you all learned painting by this time. Because you are not studying all the time in the house. So you do your relaxation by painting. Painting some of the pictures. Then singing. Singing in the house. Seeing the mobile and learning how to sing. Tunes. You create your own music, own song you will do. Own music, own dance steps also you will learn. Is it? So that is all your relaxation of mind. Reading is a very good habit. Reading the books. That will encourage your mind to be busy. It will give you knowledge. Reading gives you knowledge. It will update your mind. Reading, simply one small GK book will be there. That small GK books you can learn it. You can ask, what is this? Apple. What is the color of the apple? What is the spelling of apple? Okay, so by that some of you can read the books. Some what will do, you will watch television. Watching television and films is also form of recreation. To relax your mind, you watch TV, you watch films, you watch cartoon, you watch sports. Is it? All this you are enjoying. Many of you are enjoying by seeing cartoons. You are jumping on your seat and you are enjoying. Your mind is relaxed. Your recreation. Okay. So, outings with family. Some of you will go with outings. Outings means what? You will go for a trip. You will go for a hotel to have a dinner or lunch or to do some parties. Is it? So, friends, and you will go to zoo. Okay. The circus, movie, theatre. All these are the days of recreation. Your mind is relaxed. Is it? So, children in villages, what you will do in the cities means you will do all this. But children in the villages, what they do? They go for swimming in rivers. In villages, you will find the rivers. There the children will go for swimming. Or town fairs. You know fairs? Fairs means market. Huge marketplace where so many toys will be sold. Or so many games will be kept. So many rides will be there. Rides. You know, no? All the rides, which all the rides will be there. What is that? That all rides you will enjoy. Is it? So, you will see the puppet show. Puppet show for their recreation. These are all the things in the villages do. Because they don't have recreational work as in the city sides. Village people, they are enjoying only through swimming in the rivers or going for the fairs or the market, sante. What you call as sante. Okay, so recreation makes us feel fresh and again feel happy. Okay, so that is the recreational verb. Okay, children. So here some of the spellings I have written for you. Okay, some of the spellings I have written for you. You go through that. So again I will be sending you hard words and notes. You start writing that. Okay, here what are the simple words I have given you? P-L-A-Y, play. Then dull, D-U-double-L, dull. So like this you will have to join the letters and read. See now, reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Singing, S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. So, letter by letter, you will have to write it. Now you have come to second standard. So, second standard, see, the words are becoming so big for you. Reading, healthy, these are all the big letters, words. So, you will have to read that. Okay? So, read that and spellings again and again. I will be sending you the homework. You finish writing the homework and start writing your notes and send the notes to me. Okay? It's your Stella ma'am. Okay? You have to know, you have to tell who was taking your social studies, who is taking your social studies. Stella ma'am is taking your social studies. Okay? Thank you, children.